In this video today, we're gonna be exploring the back rooms.
Yeah, boy.
So, we found a button already, and we got banana, and we got this guy. So let's go.
I think we should go here now, bro.
Oh my god!
I'm like
I saw something!
trolling.
No, I saw something!
Trolling.
I'm not joking, I saw something peek around this corner! Turn!
What's it, bro?
What did you...
Bro!
What did you find?
What's that noise?
That's what I keep hearing you doing.
Yo, I'm like,
Ah!
I'm terrified. Oh.
What the hell was that glitch sound?
Fake as exit.
There's a door! There's a door!
Oh.
Wait, find it. Wait, one of us
Oh, that's loud!
One of us should jump in there, bro.
I found your camera.
Oh shit.
It's you doing that thing. He's doing the sounds.
Yo!
No.
Which way? Oh crap, we're lost!
Oh no, it's this way.
Yo, who's knocking? Who's knocking?
Yo!
Yo,
It's this way.
yo, I think I'm gonna go in there, bro.
Don't go, it's too loud. No, we can't find the exit.
Yeah, we oh, this one's right here. Wait, this is where we came from.
Yo,
Maybe we have to...
Another door.
Oh, my new Furbies.
Wait. Oh, we can go up. We can go up another level. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Wait. We made it to the slides.
yes, we made it. Oh shoot.
Oh, yes.
This all
Okay,
depends on
what do we
you
trust?
choose.
Exit, this way, or question mark?
Question mark.
Blue, we saw this one.
So blue? Do we go blue?
We saw the blue one.
So
No, that brings us back into the level. That brings us back.
Yeah, wait, you're right.
Oh crap.
You don't go in there.
So it's either this way or exit. Oh my god, this is the hardest decision of my life.
I think we chose green, bro.
Okay, tell us.
Oh, it's
Okay,
slippery, so we can't
okay,
go
you're the
back.
one that's decided. So
I
go.
think we do green. Think we do green?
Can we go green?
I can't hear him.
Can we agree?
I don't know why.
I don't
We
know.
should go. Let me go green.
Alright.
Alright, we're going green.
Not going first. You picked.
I'm not going
Yo,
first.
let's go.
Alright, let's go. Is it safe?
Whoa. No, don't tell me he sent us back.
Bro, how are you supposed to get up there?
Pool rooms.
No.
No. Pool rooms.
We did the right choice. Okay. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job on green. Good job. Now we have to escape the pool rooms. I
Great.
don't think there's any monsters in here, right?
No, there's none.
I
I
don't
think
think
the
so.
pool rooms.
There's no threats in here.
Oh, what?
No, do we have to swim?
Right.
Oh my.
Yeah, we do.
You guys ain't as fast as me.
Oh!
Oh, what?
Yes!
The exit.
Guys,
What the? Oh no.
Oh, look behind
Wait.
you. We beat it.
Yes! We beat the backrooms! We did it!
let's dance in the mirror, guys.
We even got, oh wait, oh. We even got all the thing cosmetics. You can buy them.
Yo, 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 yo. Let's do a celebration in the mirror.
What is
Come
this?
on.
This is random.
What's this?
Guys? Oh, hi.
No.
You have a mic?
Oh my gosh. No, I'm back.
Oh.
We just beat the
Yeah,
game.
look,
That's
this is
great.
the room, guys. No, beat it with me.
I found the
I
place.
wasn't there. I wasn't there.
Yeah, we just beat it, bro.
No, I'm traumatized from that, bro. I'm traumatized.
I'm trying to find my friend Dan.
I
Have y'all
didn't
seen
beat it
Dan?
because I had to go.
Have y'all seen Dan?
Oh, by the way, I'm the one that started this. I told
I
you.
don't care.
What's up, everybody? In today's video, you were in part of that thing with one button.
Hello, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video today, and I'm with MK here. He did it with me, so I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you loved the vlog, and I'll post more, because I haven't been posting lately. It's took me a week to post. What are you doing?
Bro, I don't know.
Okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.